Hello, friends. I'm Alexandra Sokolova from the Mersin Real Estate Agency, and I find great apartments for you. Today, I'm going to show you a 1+1 apartment, fully furnished and equipped with appliances for 39,000 euros. And I want to emphasize that's including all the furniture and appliances. This new complex definitely deserves your like and consideration. Let's go take a look. The 1+1 apartment has an entryway and a very well-designed layout. At the entrance, there's a large mirrored wardrobe, a router, and an intercom. Right by the entrance, there's a spacious and well-finished bathroom. There's a sink, a cabinet, mirrors, a wall-mounted toilet with bidet function, and a shower. And we also have a heated towel rail. This area, Arpaçbakhshish, is set to be connected to the gas network in the future. The apartment is finished in the best possible way. There are high ceilings, LED strip lighting, and spotlights. I want to emphasize that the apartment is fully furnished. The renovation is excellent, and this is our stone countertop. A functional space separates the living room from the kitchen, and there's also a place to dine in a hurry. There is storage space and radiators. The kitchen is very well done. The appliances are new, under warranty, and from a Turkish brand. All the cabinets are equipped with soft close mechanisms from Vestel. Beautiful backsplash. Very stylish and contemporary faucets and a sleek modern sink, complemented by attractive laminate flooring throughout the space. There is an air conditioner in every room. The living area is also very cozy. Stylish modern sofas. There is a TV and an air conditioner for both winter and summer. There is a large terrace that can be glazed if desired. The apartment has mountain views and faces west and north. The complex is gated and features a swimming pool, children's sports grounds, recreational areas, and barbecue zones. High-quality fittings and doors. I want to emphasize that everything is of the highest quality at the best price. Let me repeat, the price is 39,000 euros for everything you see. The bedroom features this kind of wall decor. There is a built-in wardrobe. It's large and spacious. Panoramic windows with a French balcony. Here we also have spotlights and an air conditioner for both winter and summer. What do you think of this offer? You can find other current offers on our website. Visit, take a look, and choose. If you want us to find an apartment in Mersin according to your request, contact us via WhatsApp. The phone number is appearing somewhere on your screen. Or you can find it below in the info box under the video. Share your impressions and comments. I'm eager to read them with great interest. I'm waiting. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Love you all and see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.